If you want to convert text to path in Figma, you're in the right place. This is a really useful trick when you want to turn editable text into vector shapes that you can customize, edit point by point, or prepare for more advanced design work. Whether you're making logos, icons, mockups, or custom text effects, learning this skill can save you a lot of time and give you more control over your design. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go to the canvas where your text is placed. You need to start with a text layer, so if you haven't already typed something, use the text tool and enter the wording you want to convert. Once the text is on the canvas, click directly on the text layer to select it. You'll know it's selected when the bounding box appears around it. Now that the text layer is active, the next step is to right-click directly on that text layer. When the menu opens, look for the option that lets you convert the text into vector outlines. In Figma, this is often done through an outline or flatten style action, depending on the exact workflow you're using. If you prefer using shortcuts or a faster workflow, you can also use the equivalent command that turns the text into shapes. The key idea here is to stop the text from behaving like editable type and turn it into a vector object instead. Once you apply that option, Figma will convert the text into a vector group. At this point, the text is no longer editable as regular text, so if you think you may need to change the wording later, it's a smart idea to duplicate your text layer first before converting it. That way you always have an editable backup. After the conversion is complete, double-click the newly created vector group. This lets you go inside the shape and view the individual anchor points and vector paths. From here, you can move points, reshape letters, fine-tune curves, or make custom adjustments to the text outline. This is especially helpful if you want to create a unique logo style or modify letters for a custom design. If you need to edit multiple letters or shapes, you can keep double-clicking and selecting the specific vector pieces you want to adjust. Take your time here because small changes can have a big effect on the overall look of the typography. And if the text looks a little different after conversion, that's normal, because vector outlines don't always behave exactly like live text. That's really all there is to it. Select the text layer, right-click, convert it to outlines or a vector path, and then double-click to edit the individual anchor points. It's a simple process, but it opens up a lot of creative options inside Figma. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.